Hey viewers, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're pronouncing the name of a celebrity that belongs to the world of cinema. He was a famous actor with a net worth of approximately $350 million. Well, how do we say his name correctly? We may pronounce it as Sean Connery, Sean Connery, Sean, Con, No, Re. Sean Connery. Sean Connery is best known for his iconic portrayal of James Bond. Some of his top movies include Goldfinger, The Untouchables, and Indiana Jones and the Last Crusade. Isn't it fascinating how breaking down a word can make it clearer? If you enjoyed learning about Sean Connery, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more educational content. Thanks for watching. Remember, knowledge is power. See you next time.